Markets are wild all across the board, whether you're talking GameStop and AMC, crypto market, Cardano, major news coming out from Robinhood. We're seeing major developments where you can make millions of dollars right now if you're paying attention. I want to start off with what's going on in the overall crypto market, specifically with Bitcoin and a few key technical indicators. When we're looking at Bitcoin, the overall market, we're seeing that Bitcoin is trading just around $70,000 to $71,000 per coin. And a major milestone is coming up because at the end of this week, we could possibly see the highest close on the weekly charts for Bitcoin in its entire history. So ever since Bitcoin's inception, we could potentially see its highest weekly close ever. Last time we had the highest weekly close was back in April, right around April 1st, and the last week of March, we saw a close of right around $71,285 per coin. But right now, we're trading just below that, and if we see a weekly close above this level, it is very likely that we could start seeing the next wave of the bull market, start seeing Bitcoin push higher, reach new record highs, and push towards that $80,000 to $90,000 per coin very, very quickly. It's just once we see it break out through that level, we're going to see major liquidations from short sellers. We're going to see potentially, prices rise very, very quickly. And that's something that you need to be aware of, is keeping an eye out on this weekly chart. And if we see a weekly close above this crucial level, which would be the highest ever weekly close in Bitcoin's history. I wanted to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our channel partner, Bitsgap. Bitsgap is a comprehensive trading platform combining the finest cryptocurrency trading bots, smart orders, backtesting capabilities, and a free demo mode, all integrated into a single user-friendly space. Recently, Bitsgap launched a mobile app on both Android and Apple, and it's very simple to use. It is extremely simple to sign up. It doesn't require any KYC. You can just sign up with a Gmail. And if you take a look at their bots page, you're going to find a list of active bots and their cumulative profit. So if you've gone ahead and started to use the platform already, you can go either on the mobile app or on the website, and you can see, for example, we have Jasmine USDT with bot profit 6.35%, Gala USDT, which is a spot grid bot, and you can see that the profit there is around 1.17%. And you can see the list goes on and on of different bots that they have, which I've been using, which are pretty successful, from their spot grid bot to spot DCA to, just a number of other ones like futures DCA as well. In addition to this, if you go ahead and look under exchanges, you could go ahead and see all the different crypto exchanges that Bitsgap supports and can connect to. There's dozens of them, and with settings, you can easily just adjust basic preferences such as updating your plan, selecting your preferred language, currency, and other options. So with Bitsgap, they have ready-to-use trading strategies tailored for popular currencies. So if you don't want to go ahead and have your own trading bots and customized settings, they have ready-to-use ones, and these derive from trading results over the previous 30 days showcased in the screen. So historically, an average of 8 out of 10 Bitsgap bots yield a profit, and one example of this is the combo bot, which stands out with exclusive blend of DCA and grid strategies designed for the market. So Bitsgap offers an incredibly user-friendly and customizable platform that hundreds of thousands of traders have used. So use my link in the description, download Bitsgap mobile app today, and get a 7-day trial for completely free. Anyways, let's get back to the program. Now, if we're looking at what's going on with Cardano, though, there's major developments here as well. So if you're looking at Cardano's price right now, it's the number 10 crypto in terms of overall market cap, sitting right around that $16.3 billion market cap, just around 45 cents per token. It recently had a major development that they announced over on Twitter, and that is that the Cardano Foundation has forged a government partnership in Argentina to boost blockchain adoption. And this is major development for Cardano and Argentina, because if you guys are familiar, Argentina is one of the countries that is trying to really push crypto adoption, and just, the idea of Bitcoin moving forward. So seeing that the Cardano Foundation has had this major signing, a public signing, between some of the major people in Argentina's government, as well as with the Cardano Foundation, that is a big deal for not only Cardano, but also for the crypto space. So we haven't gotten all the deals of this and the specifics of this partnership, but ultimately they're saying it aims to further blockchain adoption, making a significant step forward for the technology in the region. And we're seeing quite a few countries in South America that are really pushing for Bitcoin and crypto and digital currencies in general. We're seeing El Salvador, we're seeing Argentina, and we're continuing to see this wave coming, and it's nice to see Cardano at the forefront of this. Next thing I want to go over, though, is going to be what's going on with Robinhood, because Robinhood has been performing extremely well over the last couple of months. If you look at the 6-month chart, it's up over 105%. The reason why I think we're seeing this happen for Cardano, and for Robinhood, is because of what's going on with crypto. Meme stocks. We're seeing that recently GameStop has had quite a bit of traction. We'll go over this in a minute, but it's up 27% in the last day. If you're looking in the last 5 days, it's up 77%. And whenever GameStop is doing well, it brings a lot of new people over to Robinhood, hence making more money for Robinhood's platform. We've also seen that crypto and meme stocks are performing exceptionally well recently. If you're looking at meme stocks, you can see that there are many of them like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, Brett, Bobo. We're seeing many of these perform extremely well, and that usually brings a lot more people to Robinhood as well. But one of the big announcements for Robinhood is that recently they bet big on crypto with a $200 million deal to acquire cryptocurrency exchange called Bitsgap. Bitsgap is a cryptocurrency exchange that is primarily in, overseas in Europe and Asia. They have over 85 tradable assets. And this deal is very important for Robinhood because they've been trying to expand overseas in the EU, and this will help to accelerate their global expansion. This is an all-cash deal. It's expected to close in the first half of 2025, and with this deal, it's going to bring on the hundreds of thousands of people that use Bitstamp over under that Robinhood crypto umbrella. So that's going to help make more money for Robinhood, and again, this could be contributing to why we're seeing a lot of positive movement for Robinhood's price. So not only are they getting deeper and deeper into the crypto space with that acquisition, but also, like I said, whenever you see GameStop, whenever you see AMC, whenever you see meme stocks rally, that usually means more users signing up for Robinhood, meaning more money and more trading opportunities for people on the platform. It's happened countless times over the past couple of years, and whenever you see these massive rallies for meme stocks, whenever you see GameStop and AMC, people flock to Robinhood to trade, and that's going to mean that they're going to have some pretty exciting and up-and-coming earnings reports when they have their next earning. We've seen that recently. ARK Invest has doubled down on Robinhood as well, and this is just something that you need to keep an eye out on. Now, if we talk about what's going on with GameStop, like I said, GameStop has been contributing a lot to the price movement for Robinhood. When people are trading GameStop, they're usually on Robinhood's platform. We've seen issues with this in the past, but really it's not stopping people. And with GameStop right now, the major news is that we've seen that Keith Gill, known as Roaring Kitty, has planned a YouTube live stream for June 7th. He said on Friday, June 7th, he's going to be having a live stream. And this is his first live stream in years and years. It's going to kick off at 12 p.m. New York time, so EST, Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to be exciting to see what he is talking about with his position. He's been showing screenshots over on Reddit about his $116 million GameStop position. But a lot of people are saying, who's backing him? Who's bringing this money to the table? Because he can't possibly have that much money to be able to, spend on options and just straight up shares of GameStop. So he's like, this will be exciting to see what exactly is going on, what his narrative is, what his thesis is for what's going on with GameStop, and why he has these calls, why he's come back all of a sudden after years and years. Last thing I do want to talk about is going to be with Binance, because we've also had major news come out from Binance and MasterCard. So Binance has reinstated crypto buys via MasterCard. And this is very important because Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and previously it had allowed customers to purchase crypto using MasterCard, but this had been deactivated for quite a while. And now, according to a recent announcement, they said, look, Binance continues to invest heavily to ensure it meets the highest standards of compliance following an extensive review of the rigorous controls and processes that Binance put in place. MasterCard made the decision to allow Binance-related purchases on its network once again. And this is going to be, very, very helpful because it's going to make it easier for people to get crypto. It makes it much more seamless for people to buy crypto with cash and, just card. It's very, very simple. And seeing all of these integrations help long-term with mass adoption of crypto, get more people into the space, and make it much less intimidating for just people overall. So seeing this partnership, seeing what's going on with Cardano in Argentina, seeing what's going on with Robinhood acquiring a crypto exchange, there's really a lot of exciting stuff. And it looks like we could be on the verge of the next major rally for Bitcoin, potentially pushing us up higher to new levels, unseen territory for Bitcoin, because like I said, we are just about to see the highest weekly close ever in the entire history of Bitcoin.